Consider 4 balloons, one filled with hydrogen, one filled with helium, one filled with air, and one filled with water. The buoyant force is biggest for which balloon? For your reference, the density of helium is about twice as big as the density of hydrogen. The density of air is about 14 times bigger than the density of hydrogen. And the density of water is about 12,000 times bigger than the density of hydrogen. Now, both the hydrogen and the helium balloons float because the density of the gas inside the balloon is less than the density of the surrounding air. And the air balloon is neutrally buoyant, or the weight of the rubber here, in this case, it would rest against the ground because the density of the air inside and outside the balloons are the same. And the water has to be supported by a string, of course. It's a water balloon, and it's much heavier than the surrounding air. So is the buoyant force greatest for the balloon filled with hydrogen, helium, water, or D, the buoyant force is the same for all 4 balloons?